Lounge chairs sit at the edge of and half-submerged in the shallows of an outdoor pool. The area is decorated with bright colors. Inside, an apartment features modern furnishings and appliances in black and white patterns with splashes of yellow. In the kitchen is an island countertop with sink, oven, microwave, fridge, and dishwasher. A washer and dryer are in a closet. The bedroom is decorated in warm and cool tones and features a window next to a bed. In a bathroom there is a shower bath and black fixtures. A closet has built-in shelves and lights. Bold modern art decorates a wall. In another unit, the kitchen has a turned layout and similar appliances. It is attached to a living room area. The bedroom contains a large bed with a ceiling fan installed over it. There is a closet with shelves and lighting, and a bathroom with a shower bath. An outdoor sign says, Matheson Mill by Broadstone. Handicap accessible. Equal housing opportunity.